Hello again. I'm back with another video where I'm going to prepare all the necessary stuff to move forward with the React part. So in our repo we had this one index.html, which is good stuff, but I kind of wanna structure that things a bit. So at the moment it's just a folder with no package.json, so I like to leave it there. I definitely don't wanna delete this index.html, but for the rest of the project we're not gonna use this HTML. So what I like to do is I wanna create an npm package, a node project, sorry. Okay, so now we have a package JSON. So I was already thinking about what we need. So we need Babel, we need node-mon, we need webpack, we need what else we need? We need npm run all. I will describe what they're doing. We need express, and probably that's for now. So webpack are basically like a bundler, so we're gonna use it to create our main bundle that we're going to use. Also we're gonna use it on the server side as well, just mainly with Babel to be able to leverage ES6 and beyond. Yeah, but basically that's it. npm run all is to run the multiple scripts, because we will need script for the webpack instances and we will need a script for express. node-mon is just gonna take care of our express server, and we'll see what else we're gonna need later on. So yeah, Babel webpack loader. So Babel, I'm gonna use yarn, but I think it doesn't really matter what we end up using. So that will take care of most of the things. So instead of npm install, just as I said, I'm gonna stick with yarn. Oops. Okay, so before I dive into the things, so we have index.html. It says I will take them to separate folder. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do it now. So I should call it request idle callback, and these two will be moved here. Yep. Okay. I then need a new file which we call server.js. That's gonna be the Express server that will serve our bundle. So it's gonna be a client-side application, absolutely client-side. But to be able to leverage Babel, I'm just gonna run it through webpack. I mean, that's kind of not the most efficient way, but if for some reason later on we decided to add more functionality, we can easily do that. So let's do a webpack.config.server.js, which is going to export a few things. I want to create a other folder which we're gonna call build, and another folder that is gonna call what should we call distribution. So one's gonna be for the server and one's gonna be for the client. I will see how it works out. I need neither of these. Okay, so server just JS. So webpack is a thing that even if you know webpack, I think that if you're not using it like every day to create configs, which probably you might not, that you always need to look at the docs because it can do a lot of things. So the entry point, I'm pretty sure it's the server.js. So entry is gonna be server.js. Definitely need an output, which I think it's it will need a path, and it will need a file name if I remember right. So file name is gonna be let it call server.js, and the path will be, for this to be able to resolve, we need the path from require path and path.resolve. Is there such a thing? And I think in Node you have, because they are functions, so their name and how you do that. I have no idea how they do that. Path resolve, then just simply put build after it. That's it. We'll see. So that's basically said it grab everything from server and put it to build server.js. I guess we need a target, which is, since it's a server, it's definitely gonna be Node, and we need a mode, which is development. That's what I remember. So then the other configuration, we need to get it from here. So it might work, right? So if I come here, come to package.json, and I get rid of this bit, I probably can do something like start server, which can be webpack config webpack.config.server.js, and we can put watch here, which basically gonna keep watching our files for any changes. Yeah, so if I run this yarn start server, okay, so I need the CLI as well. Let's see. Okay, I think it generated the stuff. So if I do something like console log hey from server, then it rebuilds the whole thing. So yeah, console log hey from server, nice. But I suppose that if I use ES6, then it's not gonna be transpiled. Yeah, it's still const, which is not the thing I want. Okay, but at least it's pretty good. So we have a very basic boilerplate for webpack. So okay, let's come to Babel, and it says that if I wanna use loader, then I need to have this bit. So I don't have, I just have JS. I don't have this Babel loader. Okay, so and I need to restart the whole thingy because the configuration changed. Okay, nice. So babel is in place. I think that's a good start. That's a really good start. That's a really good start. Okay, this configuration might be enough for the server, as we're not gonna use any React stuff there. So as being said, what we need to do is set up some good stuff, which is like yarn art express. Okay, so is our server. Okay, so let's build our express stuff. And the way to do that is you need to create an op, which is going to be express and up.get up.get and we have the request and response, and what I want to do is I want to send I don't even know. Send. Do I have a... Jeez, I forgot how to do that. Is it just like status? Status. Do I need to do status 200 and then send? Maybe. What if I send HTML? So I just want to write an HTML template. Const template equals. Okay, let's try it out. So I can write HTML. And just for simplicity, let's write a body. Okay. And here just a button. Click me. Okay. What if I get template here? Critical that the request of a dependency is an expression. What? I have no idea what it's talking about. App. That listen. Port number. Okay. Site can't be reached. That's not a good sign. So. Yeah, because it's actually not starting the thing. So what I need to do is create the start server, which is not the best naming convention, isn't it? So what I need is start server true. Start server compilation, maybe. So what I need at this point is get to the same place. React clone yarn Okay, and here is yarn start server. What did I do? So yeah, okay, sorry. Yeah, they are the same command at the moment. I don't want to do that, so I just want node in. Can I do that? Can I do in like build server.js? Can I do something like that? Yeah, okay. So I think it started. Okay. Invalid status code 2000. What the heck is going on? Yeah, okay. I think that's my bad completely. Server started. Nice. Okay, getting there. So now we have a very minimal Express setup with webpack and babel. Very minimal, but nevertheless it's pretty good. Okay, so the next thing is yarn add node mon. So that will help us keep watching for changes. So if the file changes, it rerun things. I just don't know how to use it. Okay, maybe that's it. If I just yarn start server. Oops. Okay, let's have a look. So let's change something in the server. I think it's changed things, but just to be sure, I will create another button. Okay, so if I refresh localhost, okay, it created another button. Okay, so we're getting there. Okay, what I need now is to make them run with one script. So so just need to, okay, first I suppose I need to install this. So yarn add, I think it's just dev, right? I suppose. I'm not sure. Anyway, so it's just npm run all. Okay, and now close this, and maybe if I can parallelly run these two boys. So npm run all parallel. And probably like this, and the comment should be start. Oh, no, it's just like whatever. Okay, for starters. So what if I come here, yarn whatever. Okay, so does it work? I'd rather change some file. Okay, Nice, very nice. So we only need one webpack command, which is so it's just gonna be dev. So yarn dev. No, it's gonna be like dev and here start. Okay, so yarn start. Very good. Okay, so now we can start playing around, and what's gonna happen now is let me think about it. So we need bundle. Obviously we don't have any, but bundle will be here in the form of index.js or bundle.js, rather bundle.js. So let's assume that I have just a console log here from browser.js. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to put a script here, and it should be, I don't even know, is it source what I have here? Source, and it should be bundle.js. I need only one click. Actually, I will probably need only a div later on, because as it would be a React app, we want to have a root identifier, and now we will need some static resource, right? So use express static, right? So how can I use the static stuff? Express node static, serving static files. So it's not in public, but in dist. Okay. Nice. Okay. Very good. So we have the from browser.js bundle console log. So it loaded the JS bundle just as we expected. It's pretty good. It went smoother than I expected. So we have this server set up. We have the server set up. We have our node modules. We have the config for the server. So what we want to do now is we want to create a new, what the heck, dude, get rid of the node modules, get rid of everything, and just create a source directory here, and here index.js. Let's copy everything here, create a new file. Not there, please do not do it there. So it's webpack config.client.js, put everything here. It's gonna be put to this. Target is web in this case. It's not server but index.js, and you need to go one directory to the source file name is gonna be bundle.js. Okay, we will need React later on. I mean the babel transpiler for React, but for now I think it's gonna do the job. The only thing we need is I wanna create something var f equals something console log from source. Okay, and I need create another webpack command. It's not dev server, it's dev client, so it's gonna be webpack, and also it's a compilation phase. So webpack config webpack config client.js. Okay, let's give it a go. Yarn start. Okay. So if I come here, it shouldn't be from browser.js bundle, it should be from source, and it's not the case, so something definitely went wrong. Config client.js, source.index web development. Are there any? So entry point server.js. I think it's not even compiling the thing. Yeah, because it's dev server, so maybe I should have all that is dev, right? Yarn start. Okay, now it's 2 instances of webpack, so I think it might be alright. Yeah, from source, nice. So we set up both of the things. We don't have JSX at the moment, but it's not far from away. So to have JSX, okay, so babel, the loader, webpack, JSX, React. How to do that? What is the plugin that needs to be used there? Babel preset React. Okay, so I suppose yarn add dev babel preset React. Okay, yarn start. Oh no, not at the moment. So probably we wanna add the babel preset env. I don't know about the order, which should come first. So first they have env and then React. Okay. Okay, let's see. Is it just simply I don't know. Option babel preset React. It's just simply like this. Let's see. It's definitely not liking it. I just don't know why it fails. Let's give it another shot. Okay, so what's the good old Google troubleshooting? Can I find module preset React app? The classic delete node modules and install everything again. Okay, dude. Node modules and yarn lock. That's always the best. Just delete everything and hope for the best. Right. Yeah, unfortunately, magic build didn't work this time. And log files and install labs again. Okay. That's interesting. That's proven to be a bit more complicated than I thought. Babel preset React. We have that. Babel preset React. Preset React webpack, maybe. Babel. Setting up the project, setting up Babel. Yeah. I'm doing the exact same thing. Okay, let's do this in Babel. Shite, Babel RC. Maybe it's gonna do something better. Okay, and get rid of the use loader, Babel loader. Get rid of the options and get rid of the options here. Right. So no luck. cannot find module babel preset react. Maybe it's just simply React. I don't really remember the naming conventions. What? It's getting better. So, what if I just get rid of this? Stick with whatever I had here. And just simply React. That's the server, it's fine. Okay, package the JSON, readme. Maybe it has to be the first one. I really have no idea, dudes. As you can see, I'm kinda lost. Module build plugin applies not allowed on the functions. What does that mean? Loader. Okay. Just like env is not babel and React should be. What? Jeez. So it's babel env. So I'm not installing the right modules or what? Babel preset env. Maybe I should have installed. Oh, babel React. What is going on? So yarn alt dev. It's not preset env, but okay, let's install whatever they want. I mean, any other thing? Okay, so babel React. Let's install that dependency. Error registry babel React not found. Fabulous. You'll need to install okay, sorry, my bad. my bad. Okay. And now, what if I change this thingy here? So let's stick with the original plan. And okay, let's wow, okay, whatever I did, it worked. So I have no idea what was the problem, but it worked. Okay, so now I presume I can create JSX if not JSX, but if I put like const and go back to the source, in this there should be var. Okay, so that's good, but just to no, don't do anything. If I change F to D, it's D. Good. Okay, so JSX requires React in the scope, which I don't have at the moment. So I think I can mimic React to test JSX. Let's create a React.js file and export default, create element, which will be a function, which will return an object. It's quite a long shot, but it might work. So import React from React. So what if I write JSX here? So const JSX equals div can be okay JSX. So const JS stuff equals just like null. So what if I do something like this? Webpack config client bundle. Okay. Very good. Here is create element. So it's successfully, so Babel took care of it and successfully translated JSX into React create element. Okay, so we managed to make it work now with both of the webpack configs. So I hope it makes sense what things are doing. So like target is environment like browser or node. Mode is like production or development optimization. How you spell optimization? Jeez. Optimization. Sorry. Optimization. Yeah, self-explanatory. Where to start the compilation from? Output. Yeah, where to put the transpiled and bundled files, and set up. Okay, set up Babel with basic preset. Okay. Alright, so most of these things can be copied over here. I suppose. The only difference is that on the client side we will need and the JSX and React transpilation. Yeah, so if it was isomorphic app, then we would need JSX and React on the server side as well, but we don't in this case. We want to keep it like simple. Okay, it's done. Create element. I just wanted to showcase that it's capable of using JSX. I don't need them anymore. From source and from client. Okay. Package JSON. Express normal. I think these npm run will definitely have dependencies. Can come here and it can come here. Okay. Okay, so what we are doing here is start server at port 3000. Okay. Serve the HTML on every route. Give access to static assets. Template. Create basic HTML template. I think it's quite self-explanatory what's going on, right? I don't know what it is, this error.log. I'm just gonna delete it. The server is done. Source, it's just index.js. We've done nothing so far. Okay, so I think that's a good point. Also package.json. Can I comment here? Oh no, comments are not permitted in JSON. Damn, dude. Okay, then it's just gonna leave it here. What I can do, however, is git init, and then I wanna create a git ignore dot git ignore. Okay, so in git ignore, geez, I don't even know how to write git ignore from scratch. Git ignore sample. Git ignore. Okay, so that's what I need. The node modules definitely need to be ignored. And build and list. Okay, good. The rest of is all right, I suppose. How do I now? I think I need to. So what is the status now? So git status. No commits yet. Git ignore. Okay, so git add everything. Okay, git add everything, and git commit with message project structure. Damn. Okay, whatever. T clear. Okay. So now it's clean. Everything is there. It's dragged. Okay, now we're at a point where we will be able to just start doing our things. So in the next video, we will actually start building fiber. See you until then, guys. Bye bye.